Welcome to the R4 LEXIS tutorial. R4 LEXIS is an R language API client for the LEXIS platform. To begin, load the installed R4 LEXIS package by executing the standard library command. Next, establish a connection to the LEXIS platform. This is accomplished by creating a new instance of the LEXIS client class provided by the R4 LEXIS package. Upon initialization, you will be redirected to your web browser for authentication. You may log in using either your MyAccess ID or B2 access credentials. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to your R session. Before uploading a new dataset, it is considered best practice to verify whether the dataset has already been uploaded. This can be done using the Get Datasets list function from the datasets subclass of the client. Anyway, as most subsequent functions require an active LEXIS project, it is advisable to define a project identifier beforehand. For example, assign the character string BioDT _ development identifying the project to a variable called, for example, LEXIS _ project. Then you can provide the appropriate parameters to the Get Datasets list function. Datasets type parameter is used to filter all datasets records by its type. Use dataset type to get only datasets records. Another type could be, for example, container type. Moreover, consider setting the as _ tibble parameter to true for improved output formatting. The results can be conveniently viewed using the embedded viewer in RStudio. Key columns to note include dataset ID, title, and project short name. If no suitable dataset is found, you may proceed to upload a new one. Before doing so, you must retrieve the storage name and associated resource used within the LEXIS project. This can be achieved by invoking the getStorages function from the dataset subclass and storing the result in a variable such as project storages. This function returns all defined storage options within the specified LEXIS project. In this example, there is a single storage option named iRODS IT4i. Finally, to upload a new dataset, use the Upload New Dataset function from the Datasets subclass. The access _ type parameter specifies the dataset's access permissions. Setting this to project grants access to all users associated with the specified LEXIS project. And other valid options are the public type and the user type. Further, provide the project short name, once again. Also, pass the storage name together with its resource. Remember that you have retrieved such values from the previous request. Additionally, fill in a file name, file path, dataset title, and dataset type. Once the upload request is complete, you may verify the successful upload by retrieving the datasets list again. The newly uploaded dataset should now be visible, and its dataset ID can be used in subsequent operations. The LEXIS development team thanks you for your attention.